Hi audience, am I gonna find my niche by the end of this video? Subscribe and find out. For the past year, I've been reading a lot of self-help books because of this Colin and Samir video.
There are some very important books to me that are sitting here on the desk right now.
And after a year of trying to find my why, buy back my time, learning the YouTube formula, I still don't know how to find my niche. That's always been my biggest problem. What's your career? What do you want to be when you grow up? I've never had these answers. On TikTok and Instagram, I've become like the life hack guy that's reliable. And I've been told to sort of lean into the world of Bill Nye and Hank Green. So that's what my recent videos on this channel have been. Am I like Mark Rober, Cleo Abram, Tom Scott, Wendover Productions, Michelle Khare? The list goes on and on. One of the books I read mentioned finding your niche isn't what you're good at, but what you're interested in being good at. That helped, but what am I interested in being good at? Why do I want to be a YouTuber so badly, and who do I want to make videos for? I'm interested in editing and really like doing it, so that helps in working on my own videos. I want to be a YouTuber because I'd like to be friends with YouTubers and treated as an equal in the content creator space. Or is it to prove that I'm not a failure? And oddly enough, I think I'm making videos for my mom who died in 2014, but would have laughed at what I'm making, or have the past few weeks at least. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, said that you have to make 100 videos in order to get them out of the way, and on the 101st video, you'll get it. Well, I've made over 100 videos on YouTube and over 1,000 videos on TikTok and Instagram. I know this video is bad, but I want to be bad on YouTube and just learn. This is video 5 of 100, and if I post weekly, that's a successful finding your niche goal in the year 2026. Cool. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know what content creator books I recommend, click here. Consider subscribing. See you soon.